Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about the weekly recap and trades taken. So let's get started. Week started, I think it's like 6th or 5th or 6th. So the first trade, EUR-USD 20-minute short on 6th September. Right? Even though I was expecting long, but it was a nice short setup, so I took it for a small 65 pip. But Euro USD, Pound USD, they are about to go up big time. So get ready. Next trade was on 6th September, 6th Pound Aussie. Buy order here, and you can see it's 90 pips from here to here. And next is on the 6th, again, sell Aussie USD. USD was getting strong at that time, so Euro USD saw down, Aussie USD saw down, but USD is about to get weaker. And the turntable will turn. 6th September, another one is Euro Aussie, just like Pound Aussie went up, Euro Aussie went up for 80 pip. And all of these trades, you can see the live trades on the left hand side. My entry, my SL move to break even, as well as the entry point and the setup. You know, every trade is according to the setup, nothing random, right? 4 conditions. I have to have those 4 conditions. Like on the shorts, the 4 conditions are one of these, like yellow must be below the adjacent black. This indicator should be all the way up, coming to the downside, turning to the downside. Price must be making a lower high, and then blue candles turn red after retracing into in between these 2 yellow and black lines. And they must retrace there. Okay, so this is how it is. And once I have all these 4 conditions, my alarm, CTS3, it will start beeping. And all I have to do is open the trade. So 65 pip here on the Pound USD. And here, USD Cad, it went up. Even though, again, like I said, that the table will turn soon. It's supposed to go down, but it went up one more time. This is right now 31.95, but it already made the turn, and then it's below 30.62, which is a very, very big number, a strong resistance. So it's coming below already, and it's gonna drop. Now, Aussie Yen, again, Yen was badly weakening, and all Yen pairs went up. So this is one of them. It is because of the Yen weakness. So it's a long setup, beautiful by the book setup. And this is on the 7th, buy entry here, SL move to break even, 95 pip here. On the 6th, actually it is on the 7th, I forgot to change the date. You can see the entry is right there in the bottom, the 7th. The 6th entry was this. I just showed you a little while ago. This was the entry. I close it here, retrace. See, every day, every pair has a daily range. Means that every pair moves every day certain amount of pips, more or less, right? So that is an average 60-day daily range that you have to pay attention to. So if you make, the day started here, it went up, it came down, and the daily range is somewhere here, basically, then you have a shot at from here to here, right? If I made an entry here, then I can hold on to it until the next day started here, and then the low was this, the high was this. So this is a very small daily range. So I got an entry here almost at the beginning, and then I have a shot at the whole daily range, which I closed early, but because I was expecting a down move, and I'll show you that I got the down move already on Euro Aussie. On the 7th, it went up because Aussie was weak, but now the tables are turning and Aussie getting strong. I'll show you at the end of the video. On the 8th, you can see I was talking about that was long USD Cad, but this one you can see that nice and clean. It start to come down, and it is now in 30.35. So 31 and 30.62 is already gone, and this was 80 pip to the downside, nice and clean. I was expecting that, and I got it, and I took it. And now, similarly, USD weakness will take 3 pairs to the downside: USD Cad, USD Franc, USD Yen, and 4 pairs to the upside. Pound USD, EUR-USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD. So that's what I'm talking about. So you saw USD Cad down, USD Franc down, 75 pip, and more to come later on next week. On the 9th, you can see this is what I'm talking about. That was the long setup, that long entry, and it went up. Not this one. Sorry, this is what I'm showing you, the sell, the long one behind that on the 8th, right? They went up and it started wobbling, and then I was expecting Aussie to get strong, and it did. And here's a nice, beautiful short setup. I took it 120 pip. And so far, that's what it is. Let's maybe around with 10, 11 trades, but very nice and clean trades. And then let me show you the Aussie Index, by the way. Aussie Index, be ready. More to come, because this is a chart I made when it was here, that's going to bounce from the TL. So it went up. It's a monthly chart. So for a couple of months, I'm watching it. All in all, it's going to go up, and obviously it wobbles a little bit, but right now it already started to get strong Friday, Thursday and Friday. And with that, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, they're going to go down, and USD, Aussie USD and Aussie Yen will go up. So you already saw my one of my Aussie Yen trade, and there's another one. Let me see on this broker here. You can see this buy order. I have not closed this one yet. It is still running. It's a buy order. SL moved to break even. It's on the on Friday. So I have it, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie. Also, I don't think I have something running there, but yes, that's what I'm expecting based on this. This is going to get strong, and similarly, USD going to get weaker. So Pound USD and Euro USD will go up. Even Aussie USD, obviously Aussie getting strong. So Aussie USD going to get weaker. So that pair will probably fly big time. So be careful and be ready. Let me show you the Aussie USD, how it could go up very nicely. Aussie, what the heck? Okay, oh, no problem. Aussie USD. See, this was my chart on the 13th, but I made another chart on the 3rd September, which was like it's going up from here. So now you see this here very nicely bounced from these levels here, couple of levels, right? These two, and then it bounced before it went up, came down, and then this last week we ended up in a nice bullish candle at 67.74 monthly low, right? So on a monthly chart, it's a nice low, and if we can stay above that, and especially above this one here, 68.27, you see that we are right now at 68.42, right? So slightly above that, then we can continue, go back to the TL here, and with the Aussie strength and USD weakness. So this is some analysis that I'm showing and some trades. And my CTS 3 alarm is helping me a lot. But actually, I really don't care about it, but I can trade without it. But for my subscribers, it's helping a lot, and they're taking some really, really good trades off of that. Because it's not only show the window and all the conditions and everything are there already. So all you have to do is just pull the trigger once you see a couple of trigger candles. So this is it for now, and like I said, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to do it, and you want to get that CTS alarm, and so just go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com. This is systems.com with S here, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And if you're in need of learning from A to Z and want to start to get into this business and learn everything properly, then sign up for one-on-one. I was sick for a couple of weeks, and I didn't sign up any new people. So I have, opening there. I have some times that I can do some more one-on-one. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.